Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuse for circuit 87 fuse relays as well for circuit 87 on Mercedes C-Class generation W205 guys. Today also we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. We'll share information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, circuit 87 fuses relays, come with us, we'll show you where we'll be looking now. We'll be working in multiple fuse boxes, and the first one that we're going to start, but let me guys give you one quick advice. Let's give you one advice. 9 out of 10 owners of that Mercedes do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. You have up to 6-7 of them, and some of them do not even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. And what we need to do now, we need to open the hood. When you open the hood facing the engine on the right side, on the driver's side here, you see, okay, that turning knob, turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise. You have one in the back, lift that cover up, and here underneath where the white and black is, that's your engine fuse box. White fuse box with black cover. In order to remove the black cover, unscrew the two bolts with Torx 22, open it, and that's the fuse box layout here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly guys why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked for circuit 87. One of them, we're talking about fuse 101 right here. Very important fuse. Then you will need to check fuse 102, 103 and 104. All these fuses guys will need to be checked, but we're not done. You also need to check fuse 119 and fuse 120. What about relays? We're talking about relay N right here. Check that one as well. Now guys, we're still not done. You may have another fuse or a relay behind the glove box. If you remove physically the glove box, behind it you will have a pre-fuse box that looks like this one, but on the left or the right side you will have another relay as well, fuse and a relay maybe, that you will need to check. That could be for circuit 87 on some models. It's hidden behind the glove box. There will be many videos on YouTube, by the way, how to remove glove box on Mercedes W205. Check it out and you will be able to get to it as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.